Hello students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is exponent and powers. So before starting this chapter you need to know something. Suppose if I write 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. Over here 2 is base and 3 is power or exponent, we can say. If I write 2 to the power 3, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8. 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied 3 times. If I write 4 to the power 2, that means 4 multiplied 2 times. Okay? So you need to remember 2 is base, 3 is power. Here 4 is base, 2 is power. If I write x to the power 5, then x is base and 5 is power. Hope this part is clear to you. Next we will learn laws of exponents. All total there are 7 laws of exponent. So this is law 1. What is law 1? If base are same and power are different, then we can take this base common and the power gets added. That means if I write 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4, you can see in both the cases the base are same but powers are different. What we can write is 2 to the power 3 plus 4 or 2 to the power 7. This is first law of exponent. Next we will go through second law of exponent. In second law of exponent, if base are same and powers are different, and if it is divide, then we will take base common and the powers get subtracted. Suppose if I write 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3, we can write it as 3 to the power 5 minus 3 or 3 to the power 2 or 3 is a 3 square means what we can say 3 into 3 or answer is 9. Hope second law is clear to you. Now next law 3. In law 3, if any number or any base is to the power 0, that value will be 1. Suppose if we write 2 to the power 0, answer will be 1. If I write 99 to the power 0, answer will be 1. That means any number to the power 0, the answer will be 1. Next law 4. In law 4, if we have a base and we have power, that means if a to the power m whole to the power n, the power get multiplied. For example, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. What we can write? 2 to the power 3 into 2 or 2 to the power 6. One more example, 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 2 or 5 to the power 2 into 2 or 5 to the power 4. Hope third and fourth law is also clear to you. Now law 5. If base are different but power are same, power get common and the base get multiplied. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. In this case you can see the base are different but power are same. What we can write? 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. The power will get common, or we can write 6 to the power 3. Next law 6. If bases are different but power are same in case of divide, then we can write a to the power n by b to the power n, then power will get common, or we can write a by b whole to the power n. For an example, 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3. What we can write? 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3, or we can write 2 by 3 whole cube. Okay, hope this law 5 and 6 is also clear to you. Now law 7, this is very important law, that's why I am writing it separately. If any base having negative power, then we can write it as 1 by e to the power n. For an example, if I write 2 to the power minus 3, 2 is the base and minus 3 is the power. See, power is in negative. What we can write to remove this negative power, we have to write it as 2 by 3. One more example, if 5 to the power minus 6, what we can write? 1 by 5 to the power 6. Just opposite, if we have 1 by 3 to the power 4, what we can write? 3 to the power minus 4. To remove this term from the denominator. Or if we have 1 by 4 to the power 3, we can write it as 4 to the power minus 3. This is very important law, so practice this law very well. Thank you.